Here is a weather statement for the following area. In North Carolina, Watauga, high wind warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In North Carolina, Allegheny, North Carolina, Ashe, and Watauga counties. In Virginia, Grayson County. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.